guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open the third happy place for some reason. Let's open it.
And be careful or you cut your finger.
Yeah, last time, I don't want to cut my finger again. It's already broke, so you cannot keep anything. Just kidding, it did not broke. Let's open it and tear from here. Now let's open the inside. See, we got another flower tile. Let's plop it in. Earthquake! Can't do it. Oh no, I have to stack two more up. Can you help me? Okay, now it's open. We have these stuff on there. Getting this trash. Let's put things in order first. So this is, you have to put the things in order and then we open the blind bag. Seriously? Oh no! We keep opening it. Oh no, it's gonna fall down again. We put the hat. Now we can put the diary book. Now let's open the third blind bag. There are 3 prizes. The first one, I feel it's very small. So I think it's very small because I feel it feels like very small. So it thinks it's very small. Does this make any sense? You don't. Cameraman said I don't know.
I don't know.
We got lipstick.
So
when
tiny.
I lost this.
So tiny.
Yeah, it's so small. I'm making everything in order. This one's kind of big. I think it's another one of these. Oh yeah, it's another one. It's this pink one. But how do you close it? It's not gonna close. Okay, it closed. Now let's put the makeup. You can put the lipstick inside. But I'm not gonna put it inside so you guys can see it. I don't wanna drop the lipstick. Okay. Let's open the third blind bag. What are you doing? Okay, let's open this. I found a mirror! Found a mirror! Woo! Okay, let's make it to you guys can see. Here you go. Here's the home. You got 2 cat boxes. Let me try to close this one. It's not closing. I don't think they made it that good. Okay. So anyways, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.